let us learn how to eat healthy during COVID-19 self-quarantine. This video contains valuable information about nutrition to help keep your immune system strong. It also has tips for diet that supports good health while many of us are advised to stay at home. Today, entire world is fighting against COVID-19 pandemic, where businesses are being temporarily closed. Many of the items we are not getting in supermarkets, restaurants and takeaway facilities are also restricted, and we have less opportunity to consume fresh food. On the other hand, news channels are full of information about the disease, and the whole day we are sitting in front of the television watching that same negative news the entire day without any physical activity. So too much free time, mental tension, and limited access to fresh food may lead to consumption of highly processed foods, which are high in fat, high in sugar and salt. Such changes in eating behavior could have negative effect on your entire immune system and on your overall physical and mental health. Good nutrition is not the only factor which affects on your health during this self-quarantine, but proper exercise is also very, very important. Self-quarantine can also create stress, anxiety, and it can challenge the mental health. With proper exercise, the proper relaxation techniques like meditation and yoga nidra are also valuable tools to keep you calm and peaceful. As we all know, yoga is the best way to keep your mind and body healthy. And the best thing is you don't need any equipment or you don't need excess place to do yoga. You can also take the advantage of online yoga classes. Also make sure that you are active throughout the day. You can engage yourself in cleaning, gardening, playing with children, or any physical activity. So make sure you are not sitting continuously throughout the day. Just keep walking in between and keep you active. Now let us see how we can follow healthy and nutritious diet during self-quarantine time. First of all, plan your grocery list and vegetable list and buy things according to your needs. Don't purchase vegetables and fruits in large quantities as they have very shorter shelf life. By doing this, you will not only avoid food waste, but you also avoid overconsumption of food. The second thing, plan your meals according to the availability of food. Use fresh ingredients first, which has shorter shelf life like fruits, vegetables, dairy products. And then you can use all the frozen things, frozen vegetables, fruits, dry fruits, pulses, cereals, which can be used for a long period of time. To avoid food waste, you can use freezing method to store extra food. Coming to the next point, eat mindfully. Be aware of the portion of your food. Because being at home for a longer time without any activity, we tend to overeat. So make sure you are not overeating and always eat little less than your hunger. The next point is limit your salt, sugar and fat intake. As we have discussed earlier, during this time, the availability of fresh food is very less, so we tend to choose frozen foods, processed foods, which contains high level of salt, sugar and excess fat. So choose the food items which are less in salt, sugar and fat, and make sure you consume them in moderation in small portion. Now you can always find alternatives, like if you are craving for sweets, you can choose to eat fresh fruits, or you can drink fresh fruit juices, or instead of sugar you can use honey or jaggery in moderation. The second thing is to avoid excess fat, you have to avoid deep frying. You can use steaming, grilling or sorting methods for cooking, and make sure that you use cold pressed oils, not refined oils. Coming to the next point, consume enough fiber. It keeps the digestive system healthy and it keeps you fuller for longer time, which also prevent overeating. So includes vegetables, fruits, whole grain items in your diet regularly. The next very important point is stay hydrated. Good hydration is very, very important for optimal health. And also avoid drinking large amount of tea, coffee, soft drinks, and avoid alcohol completely. Certain foods like mushrooms, tomatoes, bell pepper, green vegetables like broccoli, spinach, chickpea, strawberries, yogurt, and sunflower seeds. All this can help you to recover from any infection in the body. So make sure you are consuming them every day. You also can consume some natural immunity boosters like ginger, turmeric, tulsi, amla, garlic, and black cumin. The other important tip, have enough sleep. It can also help you to boost your immune system. Prepare fresh home cooked food on daily basis as you have plenty of time to cook. So find out some healthy and delicious recipe and use this free time to improve your health. By following the simple rules and regulations, by following the simple tips, you can improve your health to the great extent. So stay at home, eat healthy, stay fit. Thank you.